Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to film a quick brow tutorial because I have recently decided to cut brows out of my makeup tutorials. It just makes the videos flow a lot faster. It makes editing a whole lot faster, especially since I have been filming and editing so much recently, and I really want to continue being able to post videos when I go back to work from quarantine. So it's something that my brow routine is something that doesn't change very often. I still wanted you guys to have something to reference even though I'm not including it in every makeup tutorial. So I thought it was important to include this in my channel. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. I've rambled enough. Let's get into the brow tutorial. I have already concealed my lid up to my brow. And I'm going to take my favorite spoolie brush. This one's by Real Techniques. It is super tiny. And I'm going to comb the brows up. I'm following the direction of the hair growth. Even this step by itself, without adding any product to the brow, makes your brow look so much cleaner. So I will go through at this point, once my brows are combed up into a shape that I like, I will go through and kind of touch up and make sure that there are no stray hairs that just seem out of place, that don't line up with that shape that I know that I want to create. I'll always go in the middle. Just little tiny movements. My favorite tweezers are the MAC tweezers. When I'm shaping my brows, I go back and forth. If I remove a hair here, I go back here and make sure I don't need to remove a hair here to keep them even. You don't want to remove all the hairs from this side and then move on to that side. If you remove from the arch here, you want to move to this side and check the arch here. That's how you keep your brows pretty balanced. I prefer a brow gel, a brow pomade. I like MAC's Fluid Line Brow 263 brush. It's just a really tiny flat angled brush. And when I get that product on the brush, I do get it on both sides. And then I wipe the excess off. And that really helps flatten that brush even more. So when the product is on the brush, that brush is so super flat and thin. The easiest way to find your shape is to take your brush, okay? Keep it at your nose. That is where you want your brow to start. Alright? Staying at your nose through the center of your eye. That is where you want your brow to arch. Okay? There's where it will arch. Staying at your nose through the edge of your eye. That is where you want your brow to end. That's the easiest way to find your three main points of how your brow should be shaped. So the easiest way to work that with your gel, I start about a third of the way over. And I do the underneath first. I go all the way through my brow and make the arch. I finish that arch down to the tail. Okay, then I go back down to the underneath. And I finish the tail. Make sure those are connected in the middle. Staying on the bottom with what's left on the brush. I've not picked up product at all. I'm still working from the original product pickup, okay? So right now I'm at the front of the brow on the bottom, just pressing down what's left on the brush. And now I'm going to push that product up into the bare brow. Still not picking up any extra product. I'm going to get the definition from the top over to meet the highest point of the arch. And there we will blend with concealer. We'll clean that up. That is the easiest way for me to do my brow. So this one I'm just going to do. I'm not going to talk through it. I'm just going to let you watch. So there's the brow. It always looks super funny when there's nothing else on the eye. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face, and then I will film my outro. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you learned a little something. If you have any questions, any comments, if something wasn't clear, if you do your brows similar, if you do them different, if you use the same products, different products, let's have a conversation in the comments. Let me know. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I think I have about 8 new subscribers, which is huge because, you know, I stopped doing videos for about 2 years. So just coming back and starting up again. I appreciate all of you who have hit the button. If you've not hit the subscribe button yet, I would really, really appreciate it. My first goal is 100 subscribers. It sounds small, especially compared to the bigger YouTube channels out there, but all I want to do right now is to be able to direct link my channel, and to do that I need 100 subscribers. So to do that, I need you to hit that subscribe button. Please, pretty please, just go ahead and do that. It's free. You can do it. I have faith in you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Literally hacked out this double cut crease to go work out in my living room, y'all. Hashtag quarantine.